What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're going to go over Aerodrome Finance, or AERO, which is up 2.4% at $1.27. We used to cover this on the regular. I have not covered it in a while, so I'm pretty excited about this one. Market cap's 847 million with a circulating supply of 669 million and an infinite max supply. All-time high, and this was 7 months ago at $2.31. All-time low was a year ago. This market's currently available on the following exchanges: Coinbase, AERO, XT.com, BitGet. You have 9 different pages down here to go from. So if you want it, you can find it somewhere. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on AERO. All right, everybody, let's get into AERO here. So it looks like last time we charted this was back in September 24, and it actually played out perfectly here. We had the giant pennant pattern, which we talked about in a lot of the other AERO videos, broke out, back tested the 618, and then recently broke out above the 786. We actually re-overtook that, which is fantastic news. But we're just going to clear this up. We're going to start fresh because it's been quite a while now. So indicators, first things first. Indicators on the day chart are looking massively bullish. If you look at this MACD, the MACD is heading towards a bullish crossover. Blue over orange is bullish. You can see each day is getting less and less bearish and more bullish. That is what the lighter red color means. On top of that, the RSI had a nice V-shaped bottom right here. We're starting to head up on the RSI. Area to keep an eye on for the RSI is the downtrend resistance area at about 65, which means we do have some more room to go to the upside, which is overall bullish for the price. On top of that, the WTX did reset below zero before we found a bottom right here. So that's something to be keeping an eye on too. That rally back to the upside right there. We've really only been overbought a handful of times. And the first time was all the way back here in March of 2024. We hit our all-time high. I really don't consider that much because obviously when coins hit their all-time highs normally at the beginning, but the secondary run-up's the big one right here with the double top on the sell signal. Now, what we're currently going to be looking for here for AERO, if we draw from the top to the bottom, is maintaining above the 618 from the downtrend at $1.20. What is this, $1.20? Yeah, $1.20. We need to maintain above $1.20 in order to maintain our bullish momentum, in order to be bullish and push our way to the upside. One area of confluence that we really need to focus on here is this horizontal support, which, as you can see right now, we got a double bottom off of it. We got a bottom here on October 3rd. We got a bottom here October 27th. Double bottoms are bullish. In crypto, you know, W's are bullish and M's are bearish. So this is a very, very bullish sign right here. Staying or bouncing off that $1 area and then breaking above the 618. So in the meantime, right now, the indicators on the day chart are looking really good. MACD's looking good. RSI is looking like we have some more movement to the upside. WTX looks like we have some more movement to the upside as well. So the price that we really need to focus on now is this initial run up here from the bottom of September 2024 to our current date, which right here brings us up to around $1.50. So I do think AERO is probably heading back to that high of $1.50 here pretty soon. And that's the area that you really, really want to focus on. That is going to be a resistance area. If we do happen to break above that $1.50 on AERO, the next main resistance is around $2 at $1.90, $1.93 to $2. So if we happen to break above that $1.50, guys, you better have your moon suits ready, laundered off and ready to go, because this thing might start moving up again. Now, I think this thing's easily going to overtake its all-time high. Well, all-time high realistically, not the all-time high from right here, which is a quadrillion percent. That was obviously initial coin drop, but I think we're easily going to be able to overtake our all-time high from April 2024 and going way, way beyond. If I had to do a long-term guess on this, if I drew from the top or top to the bottom, I would put Aerodrome topping out somewhere between, this is a big guess right here, you normally top out between the 1236 and the 1618 area during the bull run top. So not financial advice, I'd be starting to take profit about 550 and then look for that blow off top in this general area. I would reasonably say that $10 is definitely doable for Aerodrome Finance easily, now that we're just entering the fun part of the bull run here. You know, Bitcoin's back over 70,000. A lot of these coins have found support in double bottomed area. It's just that Aerodrome's looking solid now. We just need to keep a close eye on the $1.50. Don't get greedy. We need to overtake that $1.50 in order to maintain our bullish momentum. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.